Welcome, dear children. So, today, from Moral Science book, chapter 6, A Germ to be Preserved. From this lesson, we are going to see the uses of being patience. Patience is not the ability to wait, but how you act while you are waiting. So, not only waiting, also while waiting, how do we act? Positively, we are taking, or negatively, we are taking. How our attitude becomes. That is known as patience. Uses of being patience. So, previous 2 weeks, we have discussed about what is patience, the definitions, and how to develop patience, all these things. So, today, as a conclusion, we are going to see about the uses of being patience. Patience shapes a talent into achievements. So, in the world, everyone are talented. So, but everyone is not achieving something. So, when we are following patience, when we are practicing patience, surely we will achieve our goal. To shape your talents and inborn abilities into real achievements, you must have patience. To master any art or to enhance your talent, you need to make continuous effort for long time. We should not feel fed up. So for that, we have to practice patience. To achieve your dreams, you must have zeal to overcome changes and the power to overcome roadblocks. So always we have to keep patience to achieve our dreams and the zeal, that interest which is having fire within us. All these things, patience is the answer. So we have to follow patience to achieve our goal. Patience transforms relationships. Sometimes in our relationships, we become defensive, irritated, and say something to hurt others. We do not realize the importance of patience and end up making hasty decisions. Whenever we feel defensive against the person, try to be patient enough to take time to think over. So, most of the time, if we are losing money, we can gain. But if we lose our relationship, it's like a mirror. Once if it breaks, then we cannot make it as it was before. So for that, we need patience. So patience transforms relationship. When we are angry, when we are tensed, then we use many words. It may hurt the next person. So it will make a long distance between us. So when we are keeping patience, when other people are not understanding our situation, our feelings, then also when we follow patience, then we can transform a good relationship. Patience helps you to be empathetic. There is two things, sympathetic and empathetic. Sympathetic means something happened in our life, means something happened to others' life. So just we are feeling sorry for that. Okay, like this it happens, like this, just we are consoling. But in the case of empathetic, we will keep ourselves in their place, like someone's near and dear ones passed away, or any failure happens, whatever may be, just we will keep ourselves in their place, how they feel, how they cry, how they suffer, all these things we feel, and what are the effort, what are the help we can do for them, that we have to do. If you get irritated by a crying baby or loud child playing in front of you, you must think about developing your patience. Patience helps you to build empathy towards others. Patience helps acquire positive attitude. If things are not going the way you want them to, instead of getting frustrated, you must learn to be patient. So, whatever we think the life doesn't take, it never happens. So, when we follow patient, then we will have positive attitude, means we will have positive approach towards that situation. You need to see things and situations in a positive light to make your life happier. And to get that positivity, you need to be patient. So, if you want to get positive attitude, mind, all these things, the foundation is patient. Patience makes you healthier. Anger and stress are two things that are enough to ruin a person's health. And patience is the antidote to both these illness. Being patient, you can overcome any challenging situations with more flexibility and in better way. Being stress free and happy helps you stay helps you stay you happier or healthier person. So always, if you have the quality of patience, then surely you will be a healthiest person in the world. So now we are come to the conclusion. You can be patient if you have clear knowledge about your goal and if you are putting the desired effort in the right direction. When you have patience of and also have clear knowledge about your goal, then surely you will be a successful person in your life. There are many ways to achieve anything. The trick is to stick to your own plan when others around you seem to be getting ahead much faster than you. Though they are going very fast, just you set up a goal and you go according to that. Yes, they may be enjoying more success than you, but you know nothing about where they are ultimately headed. So, you know that you are going the right path. Patience is an important tool in overcoming frustration. Patience allows us to suspend judgment long enough to make informed decisions, thus paving the path to a So, patience is an important tool in overcoming frustration. Patience allows us to suspend judgment long enough to make informed decisions, thus paving the path to a happy and peaceful life. Thank you, dear students. Nowadays, so many suicide and so many accidents, all these things taking place is nothing but due to not practicing patience. So, my dear children, though you are not intelligent, though you are not talented, it doesn't matter. But when you have patience, then you are master of everything. So, thank you. Have a nice day. Follow the patience.